Hello everyone, I am Amit from Mail Smartly. If you are like most of people, probably receiving a lot of email attached PDF, Word documents, images. The list goes on and on. And if you are like most people who probably have no idea where Outlook save these attachments. Well, Outlook save attachments to the temporary folder on your computer hard drive. So the next time you will wondering where the attachments want, you can check your computer temporary folder and get all the attachment instead of searching of your specific email for that attachment. So here in this video, I will walk you through step by step process how you can reach your folder and get all your attachments received in your Outlook inbox. So click Window R from your keyboard. This run dialog box appears. So just type regedit and simply hit OK. So you have to confirm it. Do you want to allow this application to make changes in your device? Simply hit OK. Now this editor appears. So you can see on your address bar your computer, hey current user. Now you have to simply click on software. Click here. You get multiple options here. Now the next option is you have to select Microsoft. Click here. That will expand. Now you have to click on Office. I have to scroll down to search for the O series. This is Office, so click on it. In my case, I'm using Outlook 365, so I simply hit on 16. When I click on it, the next selection is I have to select Outlook. When I click on it, now I have to go to the securities. So here is my security. When I click on it, some of the options appears in this window. So here you can see an option, a folder with regsz extension. Simply double click on it. Now edit string opens. So here is a value data. All you have to do is to simply use your keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this address. Simply click OK to close this. Now go to the folder of your computer. So I just go to any folder of your computer. I go to compute folder. Now on the address bar, simply use your Ctrl+V keyboard shortcut. Your entire address pasted here. Simply hit enter. Now here you can see all your attachments received from your Outlook inbox emails are available here. You can simply select any of it. You can simply copy any of it. You can double click and open any attachment according to your convenience. It is very easy to find your hidden attachment which you are unable to find. I hope you found this video useful. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this YouTube channel, and also click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers video I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.